When you call a language model, it does not think for a moment and then hand you a paragraph. It produces one token, then another, and here is the part that explains everything. Each token is a function of every token before it. You type the capital of France the model runs one forward pass and gets a probability distribution. It samples a token, Paris. Now Paris gets appended to the prompt and the whole thing runs again. The new prompt, one token longer, goes back in. Predict, sample, append. Predict, sample, append. That loop is the entire generation process. There is no draft hidden somewhere that the model is transcribing. And because token 5 needs token 4 to exist first, generation is fundamentally sequential. No amount of hardware can break that chain. You cannot parallelize your way out of a dependency. Now watch what falls out of this single fact. Streaming is free. Since tokens come out one at a time, the API can hand each one to you the instant it is born. That word-by-word appearance in ChatGPT and Claude is not a gimmick. It is the natural shape of the machine. And it changes what speed even means. Users do not feel total time. They feel time to the first token. 200 milliseconds to first token, then a steady stream feels instant. A 2-second silence, then the whole answer feels broken, even if it finished sooner. Generation stops one of exactly 3 ways. The model emits its special end token, the natural full stop. Or you hit a max token ceiling you set, which you always should, or a runaway loop quietly bills you real money. Or a stop sequence matches, like the moment the model starts writing the next turn of a conversation, there is no fourth option, the model has no self-correction. Once a token is out, it is out. It cannot go back. Which is exactly why a bad first token cascades and why prompt engineering earns its keep. It is also why output tokens cost more than input. Input gets read in one parallel pass. Output is paid for one slow step at a time. And here is the trap people fall into. They ask the model for the answer first, then the reasoning. That is backwards. By the time it commits to the answer token, it has had zero scratch space to think. Put the reasoning first, let those tokens be the workspace. Then the answer at the very end. An LLM does not think, then write. The thinking is the writing, happening live, one token at a time.